Hi, this is your host again, Mokshaj, and welcome to the second episode of the Traffic Awareness Center podcast. In today's episode, I'll be talking about 5 traffic rules you may not know. Ever since the origin of motor vehicles and their evolution as major means of travel, the ability to maneuver one and drive on urban roads has been a quest many fail to embark on. We, as the Traffic Awareness Center, aim to reduce rash driving and increase awareness regarding traffic safety for the city of Ahmedabad. This episode is focused on talking about new additions to traffic rules over the past 2 years, their implications on day-to-day driving, and specifications regarding some regulations drivers may not be aware of. There are a number of offenses that some drivers remain unaware of despite their importance while driving in urban areas, especially since they ensure the sheer safety of travelers and reducing the number of accidents taking place. Some of these offenses are juvenile or underage driving, dangerous driving, and passenger overloading. Juvenile or underage driving is also considered a very serious offense and is a punishable crime with a penalty of up to 25,000 rupees. This offense may even lead to the imprisonment of or impoundment of the owner or their vehicle. Once aged 16, a 100cc gearless two-wheeler can be driven after a learner's license is issued from RTO. Provided the driver has a driving license, a four-wheeler can be driven post the legal age of 18. Dangerous driving is an offense that has recently been amended that dictates a punishment of up to 5,000 rupees in case one uses their phone while driving. Dangerous driving also includes rash driving and half-wheeling. Passenger overloading is when there are more than the permitted number of passengers at a given point of time. The offense is finable up to 1,000 rupees per additional passenger, as it could cause disequilibrium in the vehicle and affect the driver, resulting in an accident. Overloading the vehicle in terms of weight is also an offense, as it may cause instability to the vehicle. The driver could be fined up to $1,000 and his or her license may be disqualified for as many as 3 months. Incompetent driving includes but is not limited to when one drives on the wrong side of the road, the footpath, or the wrong lane in order to overtake another vehicle. This offense puts multiple lives at risk and therefore is a hazardous and punishable crime. There are also some rules which are very important to the welfare of the person driving, and while they may not have been introduced recently, should be known by all drivers. Some of them are wearing a helmet when driving a two-wheeler, which protects your skull and head from being harmed in case of an accident, and if not worn, may warrant a penalty of 1,000 rupees. Similarly, wearing a seatbelt in a four-wheeler is of great importance as it prevents the driver from falling ahead and injuring themselves. If not worn, the driver may be fined up to 1,000 rupees as well. We hope that this podcast gave you insight into some of the traffic regulations that need to be followed and how one's safety can be ensured while driving. Thank you and hope you enjoyed.